Right, so we've got our client's AMG 45 in today. Exhaust time, taken off the standard AMG system, but we've got a Cobra system to fit. So we'll have a listen to it now, and then we'll come back to you once we're done, and we'll have a listen to it then. Let's go, Luke. As you can see, it sounds good, but it's going to sound a lot better. Let's get to it. Right, so as you can see, the system is now removed. We're going with a Cobra system. Luckily with a Cobra, it's bolt on, bolt off, so it goes to factory fittings. We're leaving the AMG tips just because they look nice, they fit the bumper well. We'll get this one fitted, we'll have a sound check, and then we'll see you when we're done. So the AMG is all done now. Let's have a listen to what this sounds like and compare it to the stock one. Yeah, give it, Luke. As you can see, sound is so much better. Not only will you see this one, you'll hear it coming down the road. On to the next one.